Hi everyone, I am Sadia Luming. Our project is BioSphere-X. It is an AI tool to find life in space using NASA's data. We are Team Falcon, turning data into discovery, and this is my teammates. Our team is special because we mix creativity, tech skills, and passion for space. We want our solution to be simple and useful. These are contents of our project. NASA has biology data from decades, but it's scattered everywhere, hard to find, hard to use. This is a big problem for future Moon and Mars missions. In this case, scientists, astronauts, students are affected most because scientists can't find what they need, astronauts' health and safety depends on it, and also students can learn from it easily. But our tool will help all of them. The main opportunity is the data is public but not used well. With AI, we can connect everything and find patterns human might miss. Our idea makes NASA's biology research easy to search and explore. It saves time and answer in minutes. Faster science for everyone, that is a big change. For the project, we need access to NASA's open data, build more tech, and guidance from NASA's experts. As an example, if a scientist asks what happened to plant growth in space, our AI doesn't just list papers, it reads them, finds answers, makes summaries, shows charts, and connects experiments. So, BioSphere-X turns NASA's old data into a smart and easy discovery engine. It prepares us for Moon and Mars missions. Thank you.